Hey everyone, Randy, Don here, and today we are in Oregon, and we're actually here for a delivery of 1347, which has been a wonderful experience, having a lot of fun. Dave Bash doing a wonderful job, but we just came across this coach, 1352, in display. And as you know, any chance that Don and I get a chance to go into a coach, we love to show all of you what it looks like. So this one, I don't believe this one has been seen anywhere else. Now maybe Mal's did a little sneak preview, but we thought we'd give all of you a view of 1352. Great coach, great colors, bunk model. So Dawn's going to give you a walkthrough.
I'll be your host.
She will be your host.
Let's get started.
All right, and keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.
All right, folks, here we are in Coach 1352. It is quite stunning. I know I feel like I say the same thing with every marathon coach I go into. Each one is so different and unique, but I'm just going to slowly let you take a look at this because I think it's really awesome. I'm not going to put the TV up, but this right here is a TV that comes up. The beautiful face stays on it as it goes up. Of course, this particular coach has two recliners and then sofa opposite. So we'll slowly spin this around as to not make you car sick. All right. Beautifully, beautifully executed, honestly. And now looking at the cupboards and the cabinets, you can see it's a very matte green finish. It's really pretty, along with, there is an inlay in these cupboards at the top, but very subtle, very, very subtle. I think it goes beautifully together. So we'll back this up again. This is the extending booth. We'll give you a little view of that as well. So you can see that that moves out for extra seating. Great feature. And this table is one of my favorites because it is a rectangle and lots of room. So even if you had guests on this side of the table, you put a couple chairs there. You can play Sequence or Monopoly and just have a great time. Also, check out this floor laid on an angle. Very, very pretty. All right, and now midway through the coach, you're gonna see, ta-da, some bunks. Now keep in mind that the one bunk will go all the way down and this will become a completely hanging storage with the bar at the top. And I know you've seen a lot of these features in the past, but we like to touch on them one more time. Here is the mid bath. Beautiful big shower. We're just going to back on up here into the bedroom. Of course, the bed is up currently. We have a little half bath in the back. Nice own private bath with plenty of storage. This here also opens up. I'm going to do this here for you. So you do have some shoe space. Fold up some t-shirts. You could put your favorite snacks in there. Great place. So I've moved back just beyond the galley. This was a little surprise for me. I had seen this floor plan on paper, but I had not seen it in a coach. So normally what you're looking at there, they call it an art door. Of course, you can have it lit or not lit. And normally that's where you're gonna find your half bath. But in this particular bunk coach, you go to open this, ta-da, washer dryer. So I thought I was going to be walking into a bathroom. Kind of surprised me, but I like it. It works. So as I normally like to do, I also like to view it from the back moving forward. And it just has a wonderful vibe. If you like that more modern gray textures, but yet still have that dark accent of warmth, this is a perfect coach. It's a winner. I'm gonna go meet up with Randy outside and we'll wrap up this video. So thank you for joining us on a little tour of Coach 1352. We hope you enjoyed it. You can leave any comments and be sure to like our Facebook page. And we hope you have a great day.
See ya.